Hip capsule cars address fundamental motion of our hip, and you can do them in a few different positions. I'll demonstrate first on my back. To give you a different vantage point, what I'm looking to do here is keep my knee directly over my hip and pretend there is a rod coming out of my knee so that my knee stays directly over my hip that whole time. To create pure hip rotation, I'm going to pull my heel in for external rotation, and I'll drive my heel out for internal rotation. I'm doing my very best to keep my knee directly over my hip so that I don't see any sort of linear compensation. Just rotating heel in and heel out. We can also do these standing. Using a post for support, you can bring your knee directly up in line with your hip, hand on your pelvis to feel compensation, rotate heel in and heel out. This gives us some insight into fundamental motion of the hip and if we have any deficiencies. That is the hip capsule.